this angle right here is it's right, but it just has to get shortened a tiny bit from when you cut it when it came off the car. So just same angle with just beep, just that tiny slice, and then I think it will just pop, because right now it's going like this. It's tilting because it's too tall. It's too tall, yeah.
All right, guys, we're back on the case swap. Getting everything, little improvements going.
We wish we weren't on the case swap acting. Just kidding.
Jay's at the control.
I'm in control. I'm in control. Right.
You guys check out all the what do you guys think? Almost done. Almost ready to go back on. B20 VTEC, complete built, sleeved. Can't wait for this car to push out. That's going on the DA. Killer DA right there coming at you. Stay tuned.
Better, right?
Better, but I think
Better,
I
but
need
not
to,
better.
need to cut some because it started, but then
You know what? It's still hitting. Maybe you have to go a little more.
okay,
It actually looks like. Do it again. Do it. It's okay. Just leave it just rough in there. It's actually right here still. That's really where it's hitting. And you see this tippy top right here?
yeah.
That tippy top a tiny bit, and it's hitting this whole line still. Line's good though. Line's nice and straight. So that same line, and then this same line again, and then this tippy top, it's hitting. But just like from like literally from here to here. Just that tiny piece.
Hold that.
Okay.
It's kind of cold in Florida today, guys, and we're
69 degrees.
no, it's not 69. It's like 58, 58 or 53 right now. Trying to
It's
finish up
59 plus 10.
It looks straight and lean.
Yeah, so that's the only thing is the angle. But you know what? When I pull the ew, what the heck? Oh, you got it.
That's about right. Dude.
Well, and then when you pull this up too, it looks pretty good.
Okay, good now.
Good now, right, Jay?
It's right.
All right, so bring that all the way down.
You guys ready to pack it up?
Well, basically that can just stay there and you can just weld the whole thing, because we don't have to weld that. So yeah, son, like you see, when you lift this up and like you look at it, you see the pitch, how almost perfect. But remember, this is gonna go up and it's gonna go this way a tiny bit. It looks pretty good, right? Yeah. That's what I thought. And then the only other, not the only other thing, but I'm assuming like you this time around you want to like you know powder coat the shit we didn't powder coat, stuff like that. Like we take this off, get it powder coated. Okay. And then you don't want to do the arms or anything, do you? Or?
We're gonna do.
Okay, we're gonna do the arms, and then like I don't know, like are we gonna take like all this stuff that's kind of been through some shit, you know? Like do we?
We're gonna clean it. My powder coat, all that stuff.
Okay. All right. So we'll get over it. We'll talk over the powder coating later. I was just wondering this all, because then we could even powder coat like. Another thing is this shock is leaking too. This one doesn't, but this one does. Yeah. So I mean, we can clean the balls out of this and like alcohol it and all that.
At one point we talked about getting smaller shocks. Should we still try to do that?
Well, we can't. We have to get this exact shock because otherwise we have to make new points.
Well, why can't we get that just smaller?
What was the reasoning behind? No, we had it ordered and then we canceled the order, but I don't remember why. We had it ordered, but we canceled the order because you wanted the truck to go up a little bit.
Well, with the new wheels, we could get a smaller one. Actually, yes.
Are we basing it off those wheels never going on it again, basically?
It's not going to go on it. And even if it does, we could raise it up, you know.
Just for show. The thick ones, right? Wide?
Yeah.
Well, you just can't drive it on them, so you just have to barely drive on them. Like you can bring them to the show and then just put them back down, and then take them off and then drive it on the trailer.
All right, that's cool.
I mean, because otherwise it might. It might destroy the.
It won't go on because they're mine now.
The big fat ones.
Yeah.
Oh yeah.
Alright guys, coming together. Stay tuned, stay tuned. What are you sipping on?
Yeah, but this we could clean it a little bit, like like blend it a little bit better. This thing here is too sharp. Maybe just boom, like a nice. So, but I think this will be fine. We should have added something here. You see what I'm saying? So maybe clean that up a little bit there, and maybe even put a little, like. It's just a little small thing. Even this right here.
Roaster's weld.
yeah, we gotta grind all this shit out. We gotta see this right here. That right there irks the crap out of me.
What is this? The whole thing?
Yeah, that's the only way to do the fender. So we got to clean all this up out. This kind of a material like this is gonna bend. So. This right here, you see these? Clean it up. We're gonna have to just, like
Silicone them?
fill it. Just fill that, fill that, fill that, fill that, fill this, fill that, like that. That's pretty much like, just go over it slowly. As you can see like that. Okay, that's good.
So we're gonna go over everything slowly. Bring everything back, as Sone said.
The mounts at the top.
Clean it up.
You know how we're not using some of those nuts up there?
Yes, we're gonna take that off. I said treat it like your car.
Actually, everybody's car like my car. Yeah, for real.
He does.
That's in front of the camera though.
Okay, so all this.
A lot of sanding.
Yeah, let's do a lot of
Bring
sanding.
the air sander in here.
Even this right here, you see how that? Some little details though.
Okay, and then this something.
Yeah, just clean up for here. Just put it extra here. Yeah, over here. I did all that. Even right here a little bit.
This one looks pretty good though.
No, right here. No, just a little bit here. That's it. Yeah, okay. Just clean up a little bit. Oh, that was.
Oh, this hole we have to weld. I have a bolt in it. See that?
Okay, this one.
Yeah, that hole. Yeah, I gotta take that out.
Oh, you got that. Okay, that one. And these right here need to be clean.
This is nothing. This is nothing either. These are nothing. We can at least close these.
You know what? I wonder if we could just put a plate like this all the way across.
Yeah, we can do that. And then there's holes on the outside too, Sone.
Oh, there is?
There's like this one.
Oh yeah, definitely.
Yeah.
One.
This dealio thing over here, or
just clean it up a little bit.
yeah, but we can't sand too much because then it will be. But so like, should we like do that bonding stuff?
Yeah, we could do a little bit. Yeah, we could probably do a little bit. Hey, Jit, you think you could take this part of it? Because we don't want to build it up too much. No, I was looking over there, your brother over there. Oh. You can't see me because this eye here is
I'm trying to be nice. I'm trying to be nice.
Yes. Me too. You see this? You okay? Blow off valve?
Yeah.
No, okay. You see, can we take this?
Who the hell grind that all the well down?
Well, we
Ren and
need to clean
Stimpy.
them.
Damn. Beavis and Butthead.
Tom and Jerry.
You're laughing about.
It's almost as funny as a car accident yesterday. What? I was in it. I can say whatever I want.
Yeah.
Chuck said he was like,
Hey, but
I actually remember what I was doing. Jay reminded me this morning. I was looking for lug nuts for Jay's car when my phone hit me in the face. So we're gonna paint the underbody black, and before we paint it, we're gonna just touch up a couple these weird sections that we didn't the first time, because the reason why we didn't do it the first time is it was supposed to be pulled back apart. Actually, it was always supposed to be pulled back apart.
That was on vacation.
I was on vacation. But yeah, we're gonna like do things like cover
fake
these, like,
vacation.
we're gonna cover these like little holes over here and stuff. Cover all that. Cover these holes. Cover some of these holes from the factory. These are like factory body mount stuff. We're gonna cover all those holes. And fill in this gap up here a little bit with something. This little tiny touch, some sanding in other places to make it look better. So when it gets painted, the full black undercoat, it'll probably be like a rough texture like this. When we paint the texture underneath, it will be all done and finished. Yeah, look a little nicer.
So stay tuned, guys. We're all done for the day.
Jay, you know what else? We gotta
Like
do this.
and subscribe.
This thing?
It's kind of chilly in Florida.
Triple digit speeds, and they got them on the basis. Must be all the innovation. Watch them racing information. Got the gauges twitching crazy, switching up the pace, shifting in a Civic or an S2K. This is not your daily S1, all wheels gripping pavement. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, S1, you gon' want a test run. All wheel drive in the lane in the left one. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always gripping,
Don't get caught slipping. Even on the straights, yeah. Warming up at A6. The Florida got the street cred. We rolling down the street quick. Got that MSD switch, B series or a ZC, and that LSV tech. Hella clean, yeah. Tell them where to meet at. Yeah, we go to Mexico, racing for the pink slips, and ain't no 12 to catch us. So K-swap the world till we spin the globe. K20 MR2 and SXCRX with the K24. Reppin' that EF, go back to the days of the HF, DX, the EX, before them green underglows. If you ain't see it, you must be running slow. Say you in something we can't afford, but we got that cam to cord. That's S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings. We'll have you gripping, don't get caught slipping. S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
them wheels are always gripping, them wheels are never slipping.
S1, all wheel drive, got them on the skillings.
Them wheels are always
We'll have you
gripping.
gripping, don't get caught slipping.